Hey y'all, let's make some iced coffee on a budget. I know probably a lot of you buy your big coffee, iced coffees at the store, but I'm gonna show you how to take this French press and make you some yummy iced coffee. So let me show you how to make it on a budget. So today we're gonna take this French press and fill it up halfway. So after we fill it up halfway with H2O, just regular water, I use filtered water, but you can use whatever water you prefer. You're gonna fill half a cup of coffee. I like espresso coffee, Cafe Bustelo. And then you're gonna stir it up. After you have that all the way stirred up, then you're gonna add another half a cup of coffee. And it doesn't have to be perfect. And stir it up again. Now you're gonna take your French press and fill it all the way back up with water. Really, the recipe for this is, I think, 4 cups water to 1 cup of espresso. I will normally stir it one more time, just very gently. And then this next part, you're just gonna set the top of this right on top. Yep, and then you'll just push this all the way down until it gets, to the very bottom, just like you would do with your regular French press coffee. Yeah, you just want to let the lid fall and just sit it like this. And then you can push it all the way down until it's strained out, just like you would a normal French press system, just like you're making coffee. But I love it. It's really changed my game, and I drink a protein coffee in the morning. So I love to have this over ice and then put my protein shake in with it with whatever syrup, or if I don't want anything, that day, just as is. But I mean, this compared to a Starbucks or whatever brand it may be for iced coffee is quite a big difference. If you go to Aldi's, I believe you save 50 cents, my husband said. So yeah, you save 50 cents if you get the Cafe Bustelo, but you can use regular coffee too. It doesn't have to be espresso. That's just my favorite because it gives it a rich kind of flavor in my protein coffee. But I've done it with plain coffee too. Tastes incredible if you're just wanting a regular iced coffee. Either way works. So I hope you try it. If you do, leave it in the comments below if you are an iced coffee drinker or not. I know for me, when I started my journey, those coffees are expensive. So if I can find a budget-friendly thing, that's what I'm always about, and I'll try to make it myself if I can. And there are systems. If you go to Amazon or, any Target, Walmart, all those systems, they'll sell you an iced coffee system, and it's normally like a mason jar with a filter in it. That similar method, you just put the coffee in the middle, stir it up with water, put the water in and stir it up. However, I got this French press for our wedding 6 years ago. So we normally would take this camping, but I wanted to make iced coffee, and I thought to myself, wait, this is a strainer. It strains the coffee. So I thought one day I'm going to try this because I don't want to spend $30 on a mason jar technique just to make iced coffee, or one of those machines that makes your coffee at Walmart or something, to make iced coffee with. So I just started using this, and I've been doing it now for, 4 months, and I love it. It's absolutely incredible. It lasts me 3 to 4 days, depending on, how much I drink. I normally fill up my mason jar in the morning with ice and pour it in. But I hope you guys give it a try. I hope you guys are having a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll catch you on the next one.